Hey guys, it's me Bat, and today I have a little bit different video for you. I got this Samsung multimedia monitor. It is a curved 32-inch computer monitor, and I thought I'd do an unboxing. Okay, so this monitor is curved, so as you can see, it's kind of like... Alright, I'm going to set this aside for now, and then we'll see what else is in here. This is the remote for the monitor. This is the instruction manual and power cord. This power cord here looks like it goes into there, so these two things probably go together. And then this is the base of the monitor. So this will screw on there, just like that. So let's build this. All right, here is the base of the monitor. I'm gonna work kind of from the ground up. All right, I think this will probably screw into the second part of the base of the monitor. And then you just screw this into there. And there is the base of the monitor. All right, here is the actual monitor. All right, so the first thing I'm noticing is there's kind of this like, it almost looks like a big scratch on the monitor, but I think that'll come off. It doesn't seem like it's an actual scratch. So I'm gonna connect the base. All right, so then this should just slide right in, just like that. All right, so now we're looking at the back of the monitor here. The first thing is this, it's like this block. This is gonna go into here. Yeah, and this is gonna be like the main powering of the monitor. So that'll go like that, and then you have the block here. Okay, this is an HDMI to HDMI cable, so that's nice that they included that. This is also part of the main power cord. All right, so this is the outlet plug. This will go into the wall, and then this, the other side, you just plug right into here. Just like that. And then inside the bag here, it looks like they included batteries for the remote. Here's the remote. I don't know what all these buttons do, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. All right, so like the whole back of the remote comes off. Just put the batteries in like this. Just like that. All right, so I am gonna get this all plugged in, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, so I got the monitor set up to my computer, and it may not look like it because I'm filming this on my phone, but the picture quality is actually very nice, and I've actually been editing this video on it, and the editing is going very well. I'm able to play PlayStation on this monitor because it has two HDMI ports. You know, so the monitor has just been really great for working on over the past couple of days that I've been, you know, kind of testing it out. Yeah, so it was and the scratch that was on the monitor, like what looked like a scratch, actually wasn't a scratch. It was just like a smudge or something. So that's not a big deal. There's like nothing wrong with the monitor. The shipping was very nice. As you could see, the packaging was, you know, it was pretty well packaged. So yeah, great condition. And the monitor was $200. It was on a reduced price from $250. Currently, as of the filming of this video, it was out of stock last time I checked, but I will link it. I will link this monitor in the description in case you would like to go and pick one up for yourself. So yeah, the monitor is not in 4K, which I could see being a problem for some people. Whenever you have like a monitor of this size, you know, like 32 inches, you're verging on like almost a small TV size. So a lot of people would want it in 4K, you know, so that it's like much crisper. But editing on it and, you know, playing video games, it's like, it's still very good quality. You know, I have no complaints about it, you know, and for only 200 bucks for a monitor of this size, you know, it's fantastic. So I have like no complaints about it. So yeah, I highly recommend this. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and, you know, some of my thoughts on this monitor. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.